What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap plus an overnight swing trade on AMC. Check it out. Well, guys, in this video, we're going to cover a swing trade on AMC we did last night into today. We're also going to cover a day trade on the SPY, some charts, and some important lessons here on how to know when to take it back a notch. Let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Before I do, remember to smash the like button for me, and if you're new around here, consider subscribing. Lastly, check out the link to Webull down there. You download the app, fund the account with $100, get 2 free stocks. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Get ready to jump in this recap here, guys. So we're going to do this. We're going to jump over the recap here. We're going to go over today's trades, including the overnight swing trade on the AMC puts, and go from there, guys. It's been a good day here today. One trade for me. This morning we had a number of stocks on the watch list. If you're watching this on Trade Ideas, these are the trade. If you're watching this on YouTube, these are the Trade Idea scanners. Link in the description and comment section below. Also, if you're interested, which you should be, join us for 5 days here at thedaytraderchatroom.com. And you can check out the 5-day trial, link in the description and comment section below as well. Now, this morning, here is the dashboard for members. We had SPY, AMC, VERB, BLIN, CIDM on watch, all making some noise in the pre-market session. VERB this morning was the first one I was really looking to try to grab a trade on. We had a very nice U-shape breakout that happened here. And as soon as we had that, I put out my fib levels, and I was watching for a pullback back down towards this 307 to like 310 area, where we had the 23.6 fib VWAP and this level here on the daily chart. Okay, so I was watching for a low volume pullback into that level so I could get long with a stop under 307. We got this quick little drop here. I thought maybe this next candle would get down there a little bit closer, but it didn't. I was trying to get in down there, maybe around 310, but it didn't. The next candle opened up and just pushed straight up, made new highs and a very nice increase in volume, and I missed that trade. It would have been a nice little trade because at least I would have taken a couple take profits here and then stopped out the rest when we inevitably just failed on down. But, you know, there was a nice little opportunity here, although it was short-lived. After that, you know, we were watching it for a pullback, and I waited for confirmation. We got the pullback, but it just pulled all the way back in there. Nothing to show, just straight down. And now here, so far, we tried to break and hold VWAP, but no dice. It came right back underneath. So I was never able to get my trade on that one. Now, I did get a trade on the SPY, and we'll go cover that one in a minute here. AMC this morning. Down here, I closed off my put. You know, yesterday we caught a swing trade put option right in here on this last VWAP rejection. I took some profits off as we came back down to the lows, right? And then this morning I got flat, the final small piece on the swing trade there, and that one we entered at 208 yesterday, and then today I'll show you the alerts on the day. 208 entry, and then today flat AMC $34 strike put option July 16th expiration at 310. All right, and then here will be the SPY options trade I took. I fat fingered the alert, and I put 183 was my entry when in fact correction entry was 138. So took a little profit at 155 and then got flat 122 on that trade. It was almost like a little scratch. We'll go over that one here in a minute. Now, what I am looking on this on AMC for maybe tomorrow is a test of this $37 level again. If it rejects, I might swing trade some puts for further downside on AMC. All right, now let's go ahead and check out what else was on the list. We had BLIN. BLIN made one move and then nothing, just gave it all back. It had news this morning, but couldn't hold up. CIDM was also on watch. This one now getting a little action here, but as you can see, very, very choppy day overall. Very, very choppy day overall on most of these plays. All right. Then last but not least, we had the SPY play. The SPY, very, very choppy this morning. The way I chose to play the SPY this morning was right here. I was looking for further downside on the SPY that I think we could get. Maybe back down here towards 430 eventually, but at least a break of 434 I was looking for this morning. 434 was a level of support, a level of resistance prior. Now it's showing up as a level of support. I thought we could break that, and if we could break that, we might get, a run down towards 432, 431. We had VWAP resistance right here, and we had that quick bounce. I got short in there on the VWAP test via going with puts, and immediately in this candle here, I took some profit off. And then I got stopped out the rest right in this candle. And that was it. That was my SPY trade. After that, I said, guys, I think the SPY might just chop around today and not give any clear direction. And sure enough, look at that SPY chart. From fresh lows to fresh highs, back down to testing the lows, back up over VWAP. I'm not interested in getting chopped up. That is possibly the worst feeling for me as a trader. So I let it go, and that's it. It was a very, very slow, sluggish day. And these are the days where if you're not careful, you can give back a humongous amount of profits when you're on a hot streak. Been on a hot streak now for a little while, and on days like today, it's very easy to push, right? And even increase your risk because you're so hot on your streak that you can give back a huge amount of profits. And that's something you never want to do. You never want to put yourself in that environment. So you recognize that it's looking very choppy. You sit on your hands and you wait to strike another day. Tomorrow, the market will be open again. We stayed disciplined. So what did we do in chat today? Well, we had some fun. We did some quizzes. We've done the recap. We did some trading in the morning. And now we're going to break off into lunch.
Well, guys, that's it for me today. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll catch you on the next one.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a day trading